We're here at a little rock in Tulum and we're gonna shoot some wide-angle portraits today. I just got the Sony 14mm 1.8 lens, the lens that I'm currently also vlogging on, and we're gonna take some photos with this amazing wide-angle lens. Wide-angle portraits can look a bit crazy sometimes, so that's why it's really cool to come to a unique spot that matches usually a bit better with actually taking wide-angle portraits. One of the cool things that you can use a wide-angle lens for portraits is to create a feeling of being kind of like really alone in a place, really being in an empty place and exploring it on your own. And to do that, I prefer that the subject is kind of alone in the frame and there's really nothing, no other people, no cars, no other life in the photo.
Guys, don't forget, like and subscribe.
We switched Natasha's outfit today to take some more pictures. So yesterday we also came to this place to shoot. We shot some wide-angle photos with this new lens that I have, the Sony 14mm 1.8. And they're super cool. I really like them. By the way guys, I stopped using ND filters, so my shutter speed is actually quite high. I'm interested to know if you guys actually see that. To be honest, I started finding them a bit annoying, so I just decided to try it out and to shoot from now on without ND filters. This is, by the way, how we actually arrive at the shoot. Natasha's still wearing the helmet from the scooter in her hands. I got my Red Bull over here, because you know it's very early in the morning. Let's try some photos. It's always good to have some kind of almost weird poses with this wide-angle lens, because it distorts so much. So a normal poser outfit is just gonna look a bit weird. And this is why we basically wake up for sunrise to shoot. There's no people on the beach. And yesterday we were here and it was pretty bright and I found this very cool palm tree. So we came back today to try to capture the sunrise moment here with this palm tree. Alright, trying out some experimental pose here. And some climbing also. Natasha, don't fall. Can you put this other leg too? Yeah, stay like this. Lean back if you can. No, like so I see arch. Yeah. Good. Can you do like this? Don't forget to bring something tasty for yourself and the models. And now it's early, shooting for sunrise. Some Red Bull. Matches the outfit actually. We were having a little bit of a hard time taking some cool pictures because, well, honestly, there's not really much going on with the light. It's all cloudy. Then we thought, you know what? Let's find some props here, and that's always cool. It gives a lot of more options to pose. Now Natasha has this bench to work with and a lot of ways that she can pose together with this bench. And it also kind of matches a sporty look. It feels like she's getting ready for a soccer match or something and she's like tying her shoes or something in the locker room. Now we're gonna let Natasha tie her shoes and take some photos like this. So yeah, you can pretend to tie your shoes, Natasha. And we'll try to find some angles of it.
Guys, do you remember? Like and subscribe.
Time to go back to our scooters and check out some other location here, because Tulum has so many beautiful spots to offer, and well, the light isn't much interesting anyways now, so see you at the next spot. The best way to go around in Tulum is with the scooter, so we're gonna hop on our scooter now. I'll actually show you some footage with the GoPro of wherever we pass by, and then maybe we'll take some picture in another location. Bye bye, Natasha!
Hey!